Welcome to Meeeshealth, where you'll find natural health and wellness guidance without any fads or gimmicks. I'm Mich, a former mental health nurse, ops manager, educator and HR exec with over 30 years experience of supporting and coaching people through improvement and change. Now I'm back on my own health research journey using intermittent fasting, keto diet principles, nutrition, simple recipes and practical fitness to help reduce inflammation, weight loss, boost energy, and in a way that fits in with real life. Here you get honest talk, straightforward strategies, fuss-free advice, designed for people who want to take control of their lives without relying on the need for prescribed diet medications. Healthy living shouldn't feel overwhelming or impossible. It should be doable, it should be enjoyable, and it should be sustainable. So if you're ready for clear, no-nonsense guidance on fasting, keto, weight loss, and building healthier habits, subscribe to join me. Together we'll prove that natural, lasting change is possible.